So today we are going to be opening up Ray's Speeder Star Wars The Black Series. So here is her right there. And then let's flip it over for the backstory. It's hard. So here you go for all the backstory readers right there. And then here's a couple of pictures. Put this in so you guys could see it. So here's the Ray. Here's the Ray. And this is the Speedster.
All right, let me get those little tabs for you.
And I'll unbox them.
Hold on, wait. Let me just get these little tabs.
Kids, be careful.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, be careful when you're cutting these.
That's why I'm doing it.
That little flying effect is crazy looking.
It is. All right, I think that should be all.
So here's the flying effect. Let's get the Speedster. Speedster right there.
Oh, that is pretty sweet
And then
now.
the engine. I think that's a replacement engine.
Yeah, it is. Or just junk, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, where does it go on the side?
Let's see.
Let's see.
So the seat is right there.
Oh yeah, look, it goes on the side with the net.
Oh, wait.
So you put this one in there. You pop that one.
Right.
Let me see. Let me see what side. Let me see what side. The big exhaust goes on top. Let me see. Yep, just like that.
Alrighty, and then you should be able to like. Oh, I see the hooks.
You popped it in? You gotta pop it in, hold on. Here's one. Oh, right, we got it.
And then I see the little hooks. You hook it right here. Be careful with these little hooks. They seem pretty fragile. And you could like leave it hanging, like battle damage, like someone shot it.
Right. Or like she's loading it up, right?
Yeah. And then,
Look at the detail on that thing.
yeah.
Just a little bit weathering and you'll have a perfect, accurate one.
Mm-hmm. There we go. So there's the little patch.
Look at this thing.
You think it could open? Yeah, it shows like the engine. It could be like her working on the engine.
Wow. Let's put the base on it, huh?
Plugs in right at the bottom.
You got it.
Yep, just a little scared.
Let's see, it's okay. It's a little hard. It's okay, it's a little hard. Oh, it's harder than usual, so let's just leave it off this. We got it right here.
Now let's
That
unbox.
base seems to be very hard. Maybe you want to warm up the joint a little bit, right?
Yeah. So let's get Ray out. First, her staff.
All she's missing is that orange lightsaber, right?
Yeah.
Nice little book bag, huh?
Yeah. That'd be like a good book bag for like an explorer.
Right.
Like and you could also extend it.
So if the person's bigger, huh?
Yeah.
That's nice.
So I guess they encourage like swapping, you know?
Yeah.
So let's get her out. Guessing by how much like protection she has, the vehicle's the main course. Because she doesn't have a single like strap in. That's a mouthpiece if I've ever seen one. Right?
Yeah. Yep, it is. Part of the scarf. And then the belt got to be buckled down. Nope, right there. You got both of the pieces. Yep, right there.
Let's see. Buckle that.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. And then you would just like,
On her arm.
yeah. You could just like put it on.
No, I think she holds it on one arm.
Yeah. Like by the.
Yep, like that. Yep. Yep.
And then you would just. Boom. Boom. Then you would just attach her on. You would just lift the arm up a little. And you would just. She has a little grip thing right there.
Yeah?
Yep. So you would make her grab onto that. A little bit harder to see. Just gotta warm up this joint.
Okay, so you gotta be careful, right? We gotta warm up some joints. Let's see it in the total, though. How big is this thing? It's pretty big.
Yeah, it's like my hand.
Look at these things.
Yeah.
They fins, they move. Wow.
No.
Gotta heat it up.
Yep, I'm not gonna try. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Bye.